Hi friends, I am so happy to welcome you to this festive creative journey. My name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs and I decided to organize something different this year for Christmas, and this month I will share with you 25 simple ink and watercolor sketches to fill your sketchbook. Use them as a card design, for gift tags or maybe bookmarks or whatever you think this illustration will fit the best. I wanted to start up with three short videos to make it more enjoyable for you, more fun, and definitely more relaxing. And I wanted to start up with the supplies I'm gonna use. I made it extremely simple and I will use the same supplies every time, so you don't have to buy new things or whatever. And one note, you don't have to stick to my brands or the exact supplies or exact colors I am using. You can use what you already have and just try to get creative. I will start with the paper, so I will do this in my sketchbook. I love the etchers, but you can use any other sketchbook, or as I said, you can use watercolor paper to create a card or a gift tag using this same illustration. Then I will use my watercolors, and maybe it's a good idea to switch the camera so you actually see. So my watercolor paper, as I said, my sketchbook, I have my watercolor paints and I am using my Merry Blue. I really like them, but you can use any other watercolor paints you have. Even the ones from your kit will probably do the job if you have one. Then a brush. I will use only one brush. It's a round brush, number 10. I guess number 8 or 12 will also do the same job. The only thing is that when your brush is smaller, it will naturally it will happen that you will need to make put more effort if the sketch is bigger and the brush is smaller. And if your sketch is smaller with the big brush, you will not get this same result. But once you start, you will definitely feel how much into details you can go with the brush you have. With this one, I will make like a half page of A5 size, which means just the size of a postcard is the size of our illustrations or the sketch I will make. Then I have mono drawing pen. Any drawing pen will do the job. I have number 01, and the most important is that it's waterproof. So when you add a watercolor on top of it, you will not make it bleed. I have the Jelly Roll pen. It's a white pen to just add some highlights in the end if I want to. And I have a pencil for the sketch part if I want to sketch something in advance, and the eraser, which is actually included. I love this pencil. I have the eraser here, but if you don't have such a pencil, any pencil and eraser will do the job. I do have this tape just to separate my page and to divide it into. If you are using watercolor paper that it's already the size of A6, you will probably not need this. some watercolor, some water. I have 2 jars to just always have a clean water, because I really like using and painting with water, and you will see in the tutorials what I mean with this when I say painting with water. And I have the towel, kitchen paper towel will do the job. Okay, I have one extra tool to just speed up my process and, you know, make these videos happening faster, or, you know, the filming. And it's a heat gun. Let me just make sure I will be able to use it. So I have a heat gun, and maybe your hair dryer will do the job. I'm not sure, I've never tried it, but I heard in other videos that maybe it will do the same job. This will just help me, or it will make my watercolor paint dry faster, so I can keep going with filming. You don't really need the heat gun, only if you want to, you know, make it faster. Otherwise, you just wait for your layers to dry and it's already fine. Okay, I think that's everything. For the illustrations where I have, you know, a starting pencil sketch, I will provide the sketch for you on my Patreon, so you can download it and use it to start up faster and definitely easier. Otherwise, you can definitely sketch by yourself. Yeah, I think that's everything for the supplies. Just keep it simple. I will use only these supplies. I will not switch anything. I will list everything in the description below, so you can find and buy something if you want. Otherwise, just use what you have. So I think that's it. Tomorrow I will talk a little bit about the daily routine and how you can make this, you know, happen more relaxing and just to be satisfied, and, you know, to just enjoy the whole process of this whole journey. And the third preparation video will be about the mindset, so we make sure that we are going to be happy in the end of this whole art journey. So yeah, thank you very much for joining and watching this video. If you didn't subscribe, just make sure to do so, and follow for the next videos. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.